दिलो. This is something least expected. परत अविदास, I was shocked when I came to know. हो भुरगो म्हणून लागला अविदास तुका पार्सल धाडला. आमळे तुझे माय पार्सल म्हणून कितें रे? Oh my God. Avitas, I don't have words. This, for some it may look small, for some it may look like it's a tiny step, but it is a huge leap for Goa. It's going to be a huge leap. Avitas, I promise you, wherever it is possible, I will try to cover and give an opportunity. आमचे जायते गोंयकारांक भुरग्यांक तशें आमचे कल्चरल फुडें सरतात तांकां यंग प्रोफेशनल्स तशेंच प्रोफेशनल्सांक. Avitas, definitely I am one person who will not let you down. देव बरें करूं. जायत्यो वस्तू हांव दाखयतलो म्हणल्यार the lights, the beautiful lights. Oh, Avitas, देव बरें करूं. Thank you very much. And I want to thank you, Avitas, on behalf of my family and all the well-wishers. This is something really good. It's great. देव बरें करूं. Avitas, Ikuna, the proprietor of the Quick Goa News, proprietor of Quick Goa News, आणि मागतलो सगळे कडेन अविदासा पासून बरी भलायकी मागची. देव बरें करूं. अविदास, तुका आनी तुजे फॅमिलीक, तुज्या भुरग्यांक आनी ह्या पॉडकास्टांतल्यान I wish and I hope and I pray, even if 1% people can be encouraged, if I can bring the talents and memories of a lot of people, we will be doing justice for these equipments which you have gifted to me as a birthday gift.